Today we are on lesson 79. So make sure that you have that out and you have your name written on it. We're going to get started the same way with our spelling sounds. So we're going to start with number 1. And on number 1, our sound is S. So remember with S, we talked about how now C gets added into that and we have a lot more letters. We have S, comma, C. And then as a final sound, we have SS, SE, and CE. All right, on number 2, th. That is TH. Number 3, we have D. So D is D. Final sound, D or comma ED. Number 4, we have T. So that's T, or as a final sound, T, comma ED. Number 5, we have G. That's just G. Number 6, we have P. Write it down. Number 7, ng. That's NG. Number 8, that's just N. Number 9, Z. Z, comma, S. And number 10, Ah. O. Alright, go ahead and be sure that you have those down. Pause if you need to before I erase them. We're going to move on and spell a couple of words. All right. Number 11, we're going to spell third. We have TH. Then we have that sound that we're going to spell with IR and then D. Number 12, we're going to spell number. N, A, M, B, B, and then at the end of a word we spell ER. Alright, go ahead and make sure that you have those written down, and we're going to talk about our new sound, our new digraph. Today we are going to talk about these sounds. Let's say them together. I have grow, low, and show. What do we see that's the same there that those words end with? O, right? And what 2 letters do we see that are making that O sound? We have OW. And OW is a digraph, so we are going to underline it like that when we code it, because that's how we code digraphs. And then also let's think about it. Grow, slow, show. We're just hearing that O at the end, so we're not saying the W. So when we code it, we're going to cross a line through the W. All right. Let's talk about our picture card, because Miss White forgot the picture card yesterday, so I want to show you that. Remember yesterday we learned about the soft C? So for our soft C, our picture card is a circle. So when we see circle, we'll remember circle S for that soft C. Okay? Our picture card for today is a bow. We say bow, O, to help us remember that O-W sound. That's O. Okay. Let's practice spelling a couple of words. Let's spell low. So on number 13, let's practice the ways we spell O. So when I say O, we know that's spelled O consonant E, comma O. But then also, as a final sound now, it can be O-W. Alright, so for number 14, let's practice how to spell a word. We're going to spell low. L-O. So it's L-O-W. Number 15, we're going to spell growing. So let's just focus on grow, and then we can add our ing suffix because we know what that is. So grow. Gr-o. And then ing at the end to make that growing. Okay. Go ahead and make sure that you have these written down because next we're going to move on and code some words. So I'm going to be sure you have this first. All right. Starting with number 17, we're going to have bow. B-O-W. We're going to underline that digraph, cross off the W, and the O gets the macron. I feel like I messed that up when I not messed it up, just forgot to mention when I was coding them earlier for you. You are going to draw a macron on that O because it makes the O sound. All right, number 18, row. Again, underline our digraph, cross off the W, and the O gets a macron. Number 19, mode. We're going to box off our ED. Our OW gets underlined digraph, and then our macron on the O. Number 20, elbow. Here we have our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We also have our digraph. So we're going to macron on the O and a line through the W, and then our E gets a brev because it's vowel consonant. And then 21, I'm actually going to move 21 down a little. I'm getting a little too close. I don't have room. 21 is minnows. Here we have our double consonant. We also have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we'll draw a line in between the two ends. Here our I is vowel consonant gets a brev. Here we're going to underline our OW, cross off our W, the O gets a macron, and we will box off our S suffix. Make sure you have that coded before I erase and move on to the next set. You're also going to draw a line from the word over to the right where the picture matches. Alrighty, 22. Order. We have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and draw a line between our two. Here we have combination ER and combination OR. All right. Number 23, circus. Circus. What are we hearing in that? We have our soft C, so it gets the sibilant. Here we have IR. We're going to draw a line because we also have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Here we have vowel, consonant. We get a brev. And I think that's all. Oh, and we would add a K back to our second C because sir and then cuss. All right. 24. Ranch. Here we have our digraph CH and then vowel consonant, so our A gets a brev. 25, wicks. We have our suffix S. We have our CK digraph where we cross off our C, and then our I just gets a brev. 26, yoke. Here we have vowel consonant E. So our vowel gets a macron, our E gets crossed off, and it's yoke. Make sure that you also have these on and that you have drawn a picture over to drawn a line over to the picture that matches the word here. All right, our homework I want to go over with you because it's different than anything we've ever done, I think. I don't think that I've seen this yet, and I want to be sure you know what to do. So here today we talked about OW words. So on here, I want you to circle the OW words you see in the picture and then write those words down below, okay? And then you're just going to practice your sight words like you always do. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next video.